Attention roofing contractors, did you know that you're leaving over 50% of your profits on that kitchen table? You can now close more deals, get those roof upgrades covered, and get that deductible paid. With our new solar program, we can now offer homeowners financing for 25 years at a 1.9%. That's going to cover all those roof upgrades, the home efficiency upgrades, and those deductibles within 15 minutes and a click of a button. This will not only help you get another way in with the homeowner, but you're also going to double or even triple your revenue. Our in-depth course inside SVGU will teach your sales reps everything they need to know in order to make more profitable sales and close that deal at the kitchen table without having to worry about scheduling, installations, or warranties. So if you're a roofing contractor looking to add more revenue to your projects, then you need to learn more about how our new solar program can benefit you and your sales reps. Click the link below to sign up.